This is Wat Tham Suea, or Tiger Cave Temple. It is about 2.5 hours outside of Bangkok. Keep watching and listen carefully for a very important warning about this temple. This golden marble is perched high above the Kanchanaburi countryside and is definitely one of the most impressive hilltop temples in Thailand. It's famous for its massive golden Buddha standing 18 meters tall and sweeping rice field views on the one side and the river view to the other side. Getting to Kanchanaburi town is very simple. You got 3 solid options. You can take a minivan from Bangkok Southern Bus Terminal to Kanchanaburi town. That's going to be about 2.5 hours. Or take the train. Yeah, it's old school, but it's really scenic. You can do this from the Tomburi railway station. And of course, you can rent a car or you can get a Grab driver to take you there in a taxi. That's going to be about 2.5 hours to 3 hours depending on traffic. Easy peasy. If you took the minivan, bus or train and you ended up in Kanchanaburi town, then you're going to need an additional 15 minutes to get from the town to the actual temple. And this you can do by taking a songtao, which is one of those little red trucks, rent a scooter or just use a Grab car if you are feeling fancy. Now listen, there are 157 steps to reach the top. So unless you take the cable car for a tiny fee, you are in for a bit of a climb. But it can be done. I did it all in one go without stopping and I'm not particularly fit. But yes, I was definitely out of breath and sweaty by the time I got to the top. Up there it is not just the big Buddha, it's also the view of course, which is beautiful. Plus there are multiple other buildings that you can explore, including a tower, and you can actually climb all the way to the top and get some really awesome pictures from up there. Now some tips before you go there. Wear polite clothing, as we call it here in Thailand. This means cover your knees and cover your shoulders. You are going to a temple after all, and this is more true for women than for men. Bring a hat, sunscreen and water. The sun doesn't play up there. For footwear, slip-flops will be perfectly fine. You can wear slip-flops or sandals. Also, I would suggest take your drone, maybe not quite up to the temple, but from the parking lot. Please note that at the moment of recording this video, 0 drone flying is allowed anywhere in Thailand because of the border conflict with Cambodia at the moment. Also, if you have an Insta360 camera, definitely bring that with you. I think there are restrooms on the top of the hill at the temple itself, but there's definitely a very large restroom down below by the parking area just as you're about to leave the temple. If you're going to stay in this area, I can recommend 2 places for you. The first is very cheap, as in barely $15 per night. It is super simple, maybe not for everybody, but hey, it's a place to sleep with a warm shower and cool air conditioning. This place is called Paradise Hotel. The other place, which I highly recommend, is Khao Pun Camping. This is an awesome place. You can sleep in a tent with a nice view and have air conditioning in your tent. Even the cheapest accommodation at this campsite is really awesome. Here is some more interesting information about this remarkable temple. Wat Tham Suea, like I said before, is the Tiger Cave Temple in English. But actually, because everything is the other way around in Thai, it translates directly to Temple Cave Tiger. So this temple is not centuries old, but its presence is mighty and timeless. It was built in 1973 and it towers over the Kanchanaburi plains like a golden guardian. Inside the massive 18-meter tall Buddha sits spiritual energy set to echo through the tiger-shaped cave below, which is where the Tiger Cave Temple got its name from. Monks meditate here too, and tigers were said to roam free here. Whether you're here for a view, the legend or the peace, this temple delivers all 3. Now here's the warning. Be careful when searching for this temple on Google Maps, because believe it or not, there is a second Wat Tham Suea in Thailand. The other one is Krabi, which is a good couple of provinces away, so you don't want to navigate to the wrong one. Wat Tham Suea isn't just another temple. It's a view, it's a vibe, it's a golden Instagram dream. Don't skip it. Oh, And don't forget your drone or your 360 camera. You'll thank me later. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Also, do keep an eye on my channel for other videos of places to visit here in this area. Plus, I also reviewed some of the resorts in this beautiful province.